In the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, one question looms large. Which cryptocurrency should you invest in to become a millionaire? Today, we're diving deep into the crypto sea to uncover the top 7 cryptocurrencies that have the potential to turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, these picks deserve your attention. So without further ado, let's get right into it. 7. Solana. Our journey begins with Solana, a cryptocurrency that's not just making waves, but also making a significant impact. Solana is known for its innovative technology, like Solana Pay and DPINs, or decentralized physical infrastructure networks, which give it the potential to become a retail-facing giant. What's truly remarkable is Solana's mobile stack, designed to connect with the rapidly growing market in Africa. Africa boasts about 90% mobile penetration, presenting a unique opportunity for cryptocurrencies. Solana's technology, if embraced by the African market, could drive unprecedented adoption and significant growth in its ecosystem. As the world increasingly looks to emerging markets for crypto adoption, Solana's strategic positioning makes it a cryptocurrency to watch. 6. Ethereum. Next, we have Ethereum, often associated with DeFi, or decentralized finance, and NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. However, Ethereum's growth is driven by a wide range of use cases beyond these popular applications. It encompasses tokenization, supply chain management, digital IDs, energy resource management, and even music royalty management. In August, Ethereum's Layer 2 solution surpassed a total value locked of over $10.6 billion, indicating its dominance in the DeFi space. An exciting update is the role Ethereum plays in central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Several countries are exploring Ethereum's technology for their CBDC projects. For instance, the project Hamilton in Brazil utilizes technology compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, highlighting Ethereum's prominence in the CBDC landscape. The versatility of Ethereum and its expanding use cases make it a cryptocurrency with a bright future. 5. Hedera. Hedera Hashgraph, commonly known as Hedera, is setting the standard for decentralized governance in the world of distributed ledger technology, or DLT. With a robust governing council featuring well-known companies, Hedera has garnered attention across various sectors. An intriguing application of its technology made headlines recently, with Hedera being used for secure and efficient sharing of COVID-19 test results. This exemplifies the versatility and trustworthiness of Hedera's technology. As the world increasingly seeks secure and transparent digital solutions, Hedera's growth potential is enormous. Its strong governance and commitment to reliable, decentralized solutions position it as a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on. 4. Stellar. Stellar is another cryptocurrency making a significant impact with its versatile use cases. It enables cross-border payments and asset tokenization, among other applications. One of its most noteworthy partnerships is with Flutterwave, the largest money service business in Africa. Stellar's blockchain is integral to several products within Flutterwave's infrastructure. What sets Stellar apart is its innovative technology called Sorbet, which facilitates smart contract capabilities. This is a game changer for the platform, opening new doors for applications in the blockchain space. Stellar's ongoing growth and evolution in this dynamic sector make it a cryptocurrency of interest. 3. Cardano. Cardano, a blockchain platform, has been gaining attention for its core principles: sustainability, scalability, and interoperability. Its recent smart contract platform, Alonzo, is a significant development that opens countless opportunities for developers and DApp, or decentralized application creators. Cardano aims to provide a blockchain infrastructure that's both sustainable and adaptable, emphasizing rigorous research-backed development. Cardano's community-driven approach and focus on scientific research have propelled it into the ranks of the top cryptocurrencies. Its commitment to long-term sustainability and its growing ecosystem make it a cryptocurrency with a promising future. 2. XRP. XRP has faced legal challenges, with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, raising questions about its status. However, it's crucial to look beyond these challenges. XRP's strength lies in its use case for cross-border payments. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been actively working on innovative solutions to enhance the efficiency of the global financial system. One of its groundbreaking products is On-Demand Liquidity, or ODL, which leverages XRP for instant cross-border payments. ODL eliminates the need for pre-funding Nostro and Vostro accounts, making cross-border transactions faster and more cost-effective. As the legal matters surrounding XRP get resolved, the cryptocurrency has the potential to regain momentum and further disrupt the cross-border payments industry. 1. Bitcoin. Finally, we get to the king of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Often referred to as digital gold, Bitcoin is not just a cryptocurrency. It's the pioneer that paved the way for the entire crypto market. What sets Bitcoin apart is its limited supply of 21 million coins, a feature expected to drive its value significantly higher over time. An interesting fact to note is the impact of the Bitcoin halving event in 2020. Just before halving, Bitcoin was valued at around $8,000. Fast forward to November 2021, and it reached a peak of $69,000, representing a remarkable price surge in just about a year and a half. Investors who had the foresight to invest $11,000 before the halving witnessed an astonishing 900% return on their investment. Now, let's look into the mining aspect of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin halving not only reduces block awards from 6.25 to 3.125, but also significantly affects Bitcoin miners. According to JP Morgan, the production cost of mining a Bitcoin is expected to rise to $40,000 from its current price. If Bitcoin's price reaches $40,000, miner profits will start to shrink significantly. To maintain their current profit margins, Bitcoin's price would need to rise to the range of $50,000 to $60,000 in the coming year. Bitcoin's future is indeed fascinating, and its unique status in the world of cryptocurrencies remains unrivaled. These top 7 cryptocurrencies offer various strengths and unique use cases. Depending on your investment strategy, risk tolerance, and goals, you may choose to explore any or all of these digital assets. Remember that conducting thorough research and staying updated with the latest developments in the crypto space is essential in making informed investment decisions on your journey toward financial success in the world of cryptocurrencies. And that's a wrap, crypto enthusiasts. We've explored the top 7 cryptocurrencies that could pave your way to millionaire status. Now we want to hear from you. Do you have any burning questions about these cryptocurrencies? Or is there something else you'd like to know about the world of crypto? Don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest crypto insights and investment strategies. Sharing is caring, so if you think your friends, family, or fellow crypto enthusiasts would benefit from this information, hit that share button and spread the knowledge. And of course, give us a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Your likes and support motivate us to bring in you valuable content. So, until next time, keep those questions coming, stay curious, and may your crypto investments always be in the green.